Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to invite your friends on the public investing app and earn free fractional shares. It's actually super easy. First, open the app and head over to your portfolio screen. In the top right corner, you'll see the rewards button. Tap on that dot now. Under the tab labeled Earn Free Stock, you've got two options: copy, link, or invite from contacts. If you hit copy link, you'll get your unique referral link to share by text, email, or social media. Or, if you want to invite someone already in your phone book, just tap Invite from Contacts. Here's the cool part. When your friend signs up using your referral link, downloads the app, and completes their first deposit, both of you get rewarded with a free fractional share. It's basically like getting free stock just for being a good friend. So go ahead and share your link and start stacking those rewards. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and let me know in the comments who you're inviting first. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.